Now, Jude Law's son made his runway debut in the past week. Selena and Justin hooked up yet again. And Kim Kardashian was a style odyssey. Here's a wrap of the biggest stories from the foreign shows in our segment Hollywood High.
Kim Kardashian seems to be on a style odyssey. The 33-year-old has added a few jaunty edges to her repertoire. The mother of one slinked out in a figure-hugging see-through black number. She accessorized the look by throwing a classic biker jacket over her petite shoulders. However, this was a day after she shocked the fashion critics with this here. The lady flashed some major curves as she arrived at a New York City home. They say they're finished for good, but boom, they're back. Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez were spotted partying in Malibu. The pair, who've had an on-off relationship since 2010, clearly can't seem to get enough of each other. Hollywood actor Jude Law's son, Rafferty Law, made his ramp debut as a DKNY model in London. The 17-year-old son of Jude Law and Sadie Frost has clearly inherited his movie star parents' good looks, standing out from other models on the runway with his perfect pout. And whatever the weather, desperate housewife stunner Eva Longoria seems to look good in leather. Longoria seemed to disregard the balmy Italian heat as she stepped out in a tight-fitting leather dress at the Taormina Film Festival. The lady looked cool and relaxed as she climbed out of a grey Maserati to have her pictures taken. Well, Cameron Diaz sure knows how to have her fans hooked. In her new flick called Sex Tape, the hottie has not left much to the imagination. And she could be seen doing the same at the Barcelona Film Festival. The 41-year-old showed off her toned figure in a very tight silk dress. And guess a supermodel is never off duty. Gisele Bündchen might have taken her kids for a careless stroll, but all eyes were on her as she managed to look effortlessly hot. Yes, she's a highly successful supermodel with a multi-million-pound empire, but Gisele Bündchen looks runway ready even when she's having a day off from work. And the newly single Jennifer Lopez could be spotted partying the night away at a popular nightclub in New York. She decided to wild dance into the early hours of the morning, looking stunning in a pink off-shoulder body-hugging dress. The songstress seemed to be in high spirits as she swayed to the music. As the woman to finally tame the world's most eligible bachelor, Amal Alamuddin has been the subject of much discussion among George Clooney's family. But his relatives were left disappointed when work commitments kept the stunning human rights lawyer in the UK, while the Oscar winner made his annual trip to his hometown Kentucky last week. The actor's parents, Nick and Nina, had even repainted their house in preparation. Garima Khurana, Headlines Today.